Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an outdated email addresses from contacts in Gmail. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to click on this dots icon and then simply go for this contacts. To open the contacts tab, you are going to want to pull up the email address that you don't want to use anymore. So over here, the contacts, I've got the correct email that I don't want to use, and the next thing we are going to do is we are going to click on these dots and we are going to delete it or permanently delete it. It says it's kind of deleted, move it to trash. So then let's go over to our inbox and refresh it, and now if you type new email, that email no longer pops up and only the good email for that individual pops up. So you are ready to start sending emails. That's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete an outdated email address from contacts in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.